And today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Protetox before actually buying. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Protetox is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Protetox from because it's only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, what is Protetox and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Protetox works. Protetox is a natural weight reduction aid that contains potent antioxidants for detoxification and weight loss. Because of its powerful antioxidant properties, Protetox helps people lose weight and retain their body's natural ability to stay healthy. More natural cleansing active components are included in this solution than in any other. Regular users should expect a more positive state of mind and vitality, decreased risk of psychological stress, consumption, better control over cravings, and greater safety and security over the yo-yo diet plan outcome. For many years, people have turned to plants for medical therapy. Botanical substances are used in a large number of modern-day treatments. Components of Protetox undergo the most stringent screening and testing procedures to ensure their purity and quality. A CGMP-accredited production facility is responsible for producing all of the company's supplements in the United States, to the highest quality control and FDA standards. The innovative blend of Protetox contains some of the world's most protective natural superfoods. This mixture was developed to reduce stress-induced cortisol levels and the impulse to overeat. This extraordinary solution has more natural detoxifying components than other weight loss formulas. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Protetox has no side effects since it is natural. You can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Protetox and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this Protetox that you need to know before you buy it. If you don't see any significant improvement or the expected results, or if you are not satisfied for any reason, they will issue a full refund. Just contact support within the first 180 days of your purchase. Even if you have consumed the entire bottle or not, they will still give you your money back. This means you have 6 full months to see whether or not Protetox is the right choice. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website from which you will buy Protetox, and also, if you buy the Protetox, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the Protetox really helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.